Una nilang dinampot ang mga komunista at di ako tumutol dahil di ako komunista.
First, they came for the communists, and I did not speak out because I was not a communist.
Sunod nilang dinampot ang mga unionista at di ako tumutol dahil di ako unionista.
Then they came for the trade unionists, and I did not speak out because I was not a trade unionist.
Sunod nilang dinampot ang mga Hudyo at di ako tumutol dahil di ako Hudyo.
Then they came for the Jews, and I did not speak out because I was not a Jew.
Sunod nilang dinampot ang mga Muslim at di ako tumutol dahil di ako Muslim.
Then they came for the Muslims, and I did not speak out because I was not a Muslim.
Sunod nilang dinampot ay ako at wala nang tumutol, wala nang natira.
Then they came for me, and there was no one left to speak for me.